Which synonym belongs to airy? The correct answer is ethereal. Which synonym belongs to discredit? The correct answer is disprove. Which synonym belongs to exacting? The correct answer is money grubbing. Which synonym belongs to agape? The correct answer is dumbstruck. Which synonym belongs to fecundity? The correct answer is fertility. Which synonym belongs to agenda? The correct answer is schedule. Which synonym belongs to apex? The correct answer is peak. Which synonym belongs to capricious? The correct answer is whimsical. Which synonym belongs to illicit? The correct answer is prohibited. Which synonym belongs to semblance? The correct answer is veneer. Which synonym belongs to detached? The correct answer is unfasten. Which synonym belongs to benefit? The correct answer is aid. Which synonym belongs to jaundice? The correct answer is icterus. Which synonym belongs to incarcerate? The correct answer is jail. Which synonym belongs to exonerate? The correct answer is acquit. Which synonym belongs to imminent? The correct answer is inevitable. Which synonym belongs to lounge? The correct answer is lounge room. Which synonym belongs to smug? The correct answer is self-satisfied. Which synonym belongs to compassion? The correct answer is pity. Which synonym belongs to braggadocio? The correct answer is big talk.